Oh, you don't like these? You don't like these? Eh? Okay. Yeah. Oh. Alright guys, so today we're going to be installing these LED switchbacks. These are the 3157s. Now, I had bought the 1157s. The ones that I bought were for the 3rd gen TL, I believe, and the 09 to 11th 4th gen, and they switched the size in 12 to 14. So I have an extra set of 1157s. So if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. At 3,000 subscribers, I will be giving that away, the 1157 ones. And apparently you do not need resistors. These ones actually come with resistors, but I don't want to splice wires or anything, so I am gonna install them without the resistors. These are like 20 something dollars. So I'm going to go ahead and give them a shot. If the hyper flash drives me nuts, then I'll buy $60 ones, and then I don't need resistors and I won't get a hyper flash. And these are the ones I'm going to be giving away. These are the 1157s. These definitely look like better quality than the ones that I just bought, but yeah, these are the ones I'll be giving away. They are the 1157 error free. So if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. 3,000 subs I'll be giving away, so you must be subscribed to win. And for tools, all you're going to need is a flathead, a Phillips, and a 10 mil. I removed this clip, and the Phillips screw that is up in there that holds the bumper in place, because I'm actually going to have to take off the bumper. I figured I could do it without taking off the bumper, but need to clean those friggin' headlights. Procrastination king right here. So there's the 10 mil back here that holds the bumper in place. There is a clip here, a 10 mil here, and a 10 mil back there. So that's holding all the bumper on this one side, and it's obviously the same thing on the other side. And to get all that out, it helps if your wheel's turned in. So I'm just going to do one side at a time so the whole bumper just doesn't fall on the ground, because I got nobody to hold it for me. And to remove the bumper, there is 4 10 mils, one here, here, and here. And then you'll be able to just pop it off. I have a couple videos doing this, so I'm not going to go over it. Okay, so as you can see, I got one side off. That side's still held there, so I can go ahead, reach in and twist that off now and replace the bulb. And as you can see here, this is very cheap. The other one has so many more lights, but maybe it won't hyper flash as bad. So anyways, it's still better than the OEM. Wow, I don't know why it took so long to do this. It looks so much better. Look at that. So much better. It's not hyper flashing. I don't know if it's gonna when I drive, but so let's go ahead and put the fog lights on, see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that looks so much better now. Like, I still need to get better ones there and better daytime running lights, but see what I mean? It just doesn't go together. I should have did that first. Anyways, to the next side. Now I need LEDs up there because those aren't bright enough, but let's try the blinkers. Okay, so maybe those blink fast, but I don't really care. At least they're not blinking when they're like that. So yeah, I think they only hyper flash or blink fast with the blinker on, so that's not bad at all. All installed, didn't take long at all. I thought it would take longer, but car's really dirty, unfortunately. I didn't have time to go clean it. And the temperatures are freezing now, and my hands are frozen. So anyways, next mod is going to be the pre-cat deletes. Now that we got approved for the house, I'm just waiting for everything to go through, get the money from the bank, and then I'll go ahead and purchase the pre-cat deletes. So it should be before the new year, and then I might have to pay to get them installed, because I am not going to do this in the freezing temps. I'll get some better video footage maybe this weekend when I got some more time, but
for now, this is what you get. So anyways, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button. Feel free to comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye. Oh, and before I go, one thing I want to do this winter is fix this. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know what I mean.